Caesar chicken. This is a very yummy fast meal. Caesar chicken. The recipe for this is below in the comments section. I'm calling for 4 to 6 thighs, but I'm going to go with 4 whole legs today. I'm going to put them into a casserole dish. Just putting them skin side down for a minute. I'm going to put some salt and pepper on both sides. Fresh cracked pepper. And some pink Himalayan salt. Flip them over and do the other side. And I've got some Caesar dressing. This is really good Caesar dressing from the out of the produce section in your grocery store. And I've got probably about 3 tablespoons there. And I'm just going to use a silicone brush and hit both sides of it. The reason why this recipe is so good is because you've got a really nice moist chicken and a nice crunchy, crispy coating on the outside. I'll flip these over and hit the skin side. Okay, that gives us all the flavor that we need right there. Now I've got some crushed pork rinds. We're going to have a very crispy coating on the outside. We're going to do crushed pork rinds first for 35 minutes. We're going to bake it, and then we're going to put some Parmesan cheese on the outside, make it nice and crispy. So I'm just going to, we're skin side up here, so I'm just going to add some of these on. Now you can do this in the oven if you like. I'm cooking outside today on my grill. Anything you can do in the oven, I can do on my grill. And I've preheated this to 375 degrees. I've got heat on this side, and nothing in the center. So I'm going to take these and put them on the top rack, and I'm going to let them go for 35 minutes just to get some nice color into them, and then we're going to make them extra crispy. Okay, that's been 35 minutes at 375 degrees. Let's pull this out. Oh, it looks really good. You can see that it's nicely cooked. Now comes the crispy part. I'm going to turn this up. If you're cooking in an oven, you want to put the broiler on for this stage. But I've got this turned up into a nice high heat, and I'll get a nice crispy crust on the outside. I've got some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And I'm just going to put it right on the top of each one. Divide it up evenly. There you go. I've got the Parmesan cheese on top of the chicken. This is going to create a really crispy crust. You can see what that looks like. In we go. I'm going to go like 2-3 minutes with the broil. Okay, my Caesar chicken's looking really good right now. I went for another 3 minutes with the Parmesan cheese on the top. Look at that. That looks really good. What I'm going to do is let this sit for another 15 minutes to let it set up. And we'll scrape all the little bits off the bottom, all the little crunchy bits. It's perfect. The flavor in there with the Caesar dressing and the pork rinds and then the Parmesan cheese on the top. It's excellent. This is a keeper recipe. Caesar chicken. Thanks for watching.